Generate a fully textured 3D plane from a single image for free using my new Blender extension. To get the extension, follow the link below and navigate to Releases and then download the zip file. Open up Blender and under Preferences, navigate to Get Extensions, and then we're going to go to the drop-down menu and Install from Disk. Make sure that you grab the fully zipped file here. It says PlaneToPBR, install. Make sure your side panel isn't hidden. You can press N to open it. You should now see the PlaneToPBR tab, which opens up the dialog box. There's a space for you to add a prompt. That is for the mask. So if you want the windows to have their own roughness mask, you can type windows into this space. Then click on the folder, select your image, and accept. Now we're going to generate the PBR, and pretty quickly we've got our PBR. Can move that around. Check out the shading on it. If we look in the shader node, we can see that we've got the diffuse, roughness, a mask, and a normal map. If we look in the modifiers, we can adjust the displace modifier for better results. And pretty quickly, we have a usable facade from a single image. And now we're ready to put it into whatever scene we want. These assets are going to work best in the background of your scenes.